Every night, just as the sun slips behind the trees, Max's eyes start to glow a deep, unsettling red, but I never thought much of it, until the bones started appearing. He'd trot in, tail wagging, jaws clamped gently around a new, dirt-caked bone, laying each one at my feet like a gift. Tonight, curiosity gnawed at me, so I followed him beneath the eerie dusk. Max led me to a fresh hole behind the shed, the earth still damp, the air disturbingly cold. My blood ran cold when I saw the headstone, my own name etched in crumbling stone, the date of death today. As Max dropped the last bone at my feet, his glowing eyes never left mine. If this scared you, like and subscribe.